Good morning. This 5-minute grounding meditation is designed to help you connect with the energy of Earth, release all the stress, anxiety, baggage, or negative emotions you're holding on to, and surround you with a protective shield of light for the day ahead, shielding you from all forms of negativity today. So let's begin now. Close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, allowing your body to relax completely, and exhale from your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding on to for the day ahead. Now, bring your attention to the soles of your feet and imagine roots coming out from the soles of your feet, going deep into Mother Earth. Let these roots go deep until they reach the core of Mother Earth. And once you feel they have reached the core of Mother Earth, feel them being anchored. And as this happens, you feel a sense of support and connection with Mother Nature now. With this connection, breathe in, and as you exhale, imagine that you're releasing all this tension, stress, anxiety, any negative emotion you may be holding on to, like anger, jealousy, irritation, stress, fear, and all the anxious thoughts. Just imagine that you are releasing them and feel them leaving your body through the roots. Let Mother Earth dissolve these negative emotions completely. And as you inhale, feel the support, stability, grounding energy, and safety of Mother Earth enter your body through these roots. Repeat with me in your mind. I release everything that no longer serves me. I release any negative emotion that I have been holding on to. I let go gently without fear, trusting the universe. I am grounded. Every cell of my body remembers that I am safe, I am divine. Mother Earth supports me and nourishes me. I am rooted in peace and stability. Feel each and every word anchor into your body, in each and every cell. Now, imagine a bright white light coming straight from the divine, entering your body through your forehead. And now, slowly this light is spreading into each and every cell of your body, filling you with divine peace and clarity. You are now filled with the energy of the divine. Every cell of your body is glowing in this white light. And now, this bright white light forms a shield around you, a shield of protection. This shield is your shield of protection today, guarding your aura, deflecting all the negative energy around you, and protecting your aura from any negativity you come across today. You are protected. And now you are ready to experience the amazing opportunities that today brings to you. You are ready for the abundance coming your way today. Now, with gratitude to the Divine and Mother Earth, bring your awareness back to your body as you slowly stretch your fingers and toes. Ready to experience the wonderful day today. And slowly open your eyes when you feel comfortable. Step into the day ahead, grounded, calm, and shielded with divine energy. Have a great day. Thank you.